Okay, then we're going to add our usual spices to our Korean cooking, which is about a tablespoon of sugar. Which is also nice because sometimes it cuts through the sour if you're using really sour kimchi, like sometimes you'll find in a grocery store. Okay, then we're going to use some soy sauce. And that's going to be about a tablespoon and 2. We don't want it to be too salty. We're going to add in our garlic that we chopped. We're going to add in our scallions that we chopped. And then we're going to also add in just a little red pepper, which is going to be about a tablespoon of this special red pepper flake, which is specific to Asian cooking. And then we're going to mix it all up. So as the water heats, you can see everything sort of coming together in the pot. And once you've got the bulk of your ingredients mixed up, all you have to do is cover the pot and bring it up to a boil. Then turn it down, let it simmer about a half an hour. And that's what we're going to do right now.